One of those families is Jodi Sanderholm's family. And Jodi's family's here today with us because we're here today to announce that they have joined our cause. I think what they're seeing is that they have been waiting now. Jodi was killed almost 10 years ago, and they've been waiting since then, and they have not even been heard by the Kansas Supreme Court yet. So a question would be, why? Why does it take 10 years to review that case? So, you know, I think they and others out there who are waiting for their death penalty cases to be heard by the Supreme Court probably are pretty concerned about what's going to happen to their cases. So we are humbled and appreciative that they're here today and that they have the courage to stand up in front of you and in front of all Kansas voters to put themselves out there and put their story out there and put Jodi front and center, which is where she should be.
She had been raped, sodomized, beaten, and strangled to death. Justin Thurber then drove her car about 10 miles and pushed it off of a boat ramp and sunk it to the bottom of the Cali State Fishing Lake. Jodi did nothing to deserve what she did. She did not even know who Justin Thurber was. We found out at the trial that he had been stalking both her and myself for, at that point, 10 years. She was a valedictorian of her high school. She wanted to be a pharmacist. She was the epitome of what everybody wants their daughter and sister and loved one to be. She did nothing to deserve what she did. The DNA of Justin Thurber was found in my sister's vehicle. He 100% did this. A jury sat there for 2 weeks and listened to the evidence, and they took it very seriously. They found him guilty and sentenced him to death. My fear is that these judges are going to overturn his death sentence, and then my family is going to be put through more torture to where we have to then file with the U.S. Supreme Court.